What's going on, everybody? Here I have a 2005 Chrysler 300 HEMI C, and this is going to be a full tour of the Chrysler 300. Start it up, get an exhaust clip, show the engine, as well as show a bunch of the features in the interior, as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Navarre Motors in Navarre, Florida. They're nice enough to let me come down and film the Chrysler for you guys today. And so, to start off the review, let's go ahead and start it up. It's a silver exterior. With tan leather interior. All four windows are powered. Driver and passenger windows are automatic, down and up. Also got full power mirrors and power locks. So let's go ahead and start it up. This one has 116,000 miles on it. Great American V8 sound. It's a full leather and wood wrapped steering wheel. Good quality leather. It's also got the auto stick transmission. Let's go ahead and shut it up. I said full power windows, driver one and passenger automatic down and up. Tinted windows. Awesome. Now this one does come with the optional touchscreen radio with navigation. But it's actually not plugged in at the back at the moment, it just needs to be plugged in, so I can't actually demonstrate that. I'll tell you what I can about it though. It's got a 6-disc CD changer, AM, FM, pretty sure it has satellite radio, I couldn't tell you that though. It's disc navigation, and you kind of control it by this little knob right here. It's actually a really good system, it just has to be plugged in, that's all. It's got full soft touch dashboard, really nice materials. Like I said, leather and wood wrap steering wheel. Padded right here where your elbow's gonna rest, wood right there. Padded door, chrome accent. So padded right here where your elbows are gonna rest. Coin holder. And it looks like you do have a power outlet in there. Good quality leather on the seats, very comfortable seating. Also got automatic dual zone climate control. Fan speeds right here. Got your auto right there. Control your fan speeds. Hot and cold for each side. AC right there, defrost, circulation, different zones as well as recycling. Good easy to use vents, analog clock, Bluetooth hands-free on your mirror. This one also does come with the optional sunroof, controlled by this right here. A wind blocker up here. Just put your sunshade back. Lockable glove box, belt lined. Also control your radio from the steering wheel, as well as your cruise control. Actually, your cruise control's up here, sorry. These are all radio commands. Shows the gears up here. And when you do your manual shifting, it'll show up there as well. This one also has heated seats, 2-stage for the driver and passenger. It's a leather and wood wrapped steering wheel, or sorry, shift knob. It's a nice shift knob. It's auto stick transmission. What that means is shift it up. When you put it down in the drive, you can shift it up by going over here once, shift down by going over there. It's kind of a Chrysler Mercedes-Benz thing. It's looks like a tilt and telescope steering wheel. Oh, really nice interior. Chrysler definitely kept the materials nice for this 300. These nice silver accents. Wood accents. Awesome. This one also has the Boston audio system. I'm not sure what that means, I just know it's upgraded. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, fog lights, hazards. We'll go ahead and check out the exterior of the Chrysler. High density projecting headlamps, shine blue. Chrome grille. This one actually has a Bentley logo in it, that's pretty cool. For the mileage, it's a really clean car. It's got the chrome wheels. Really nice exterior paint color. We'll go ahead and check out the back seat more in depth in just a second. Dual chrome exhaust tips. Sorry, you have to open it by pushing over there. Thought it was one of those little spring pop-out things. Awesome. I always thought these were great looking cars. Go and pop the hood. This Chrysler, let me get the hood up, has the 5.7 liter HEMI V8. It's about 300 horsepower. And the reason I couldn't get an engine clip on the startup is because you just have to get the hinges fixed. It's like, I don't know how much money it is. It's pretty cheap. But this, the hood doesn't stay up. The hood support doesn't work. But clean motor for the mileage. And let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Great sounding V8. Awesome. Go ahead and move it back. It's normal position on the lot. Just move it up a little bit, pull it back a little bit to film it. I'm going to shut it down. I'm not sure if you saw that either. When I put the key in and turned it, the seat came up to its last setting, and when I took it out, it went back. It's a pretty awesome feature. Check out the back seat. Bench seat in the back. Good legroom, and this seat is all the way back. Air vents for the rear passengers. Also have a cup holder. It's a nice feature. Oh, really nice. Oops. You open the trunk by, it says you press this twice. But it won't open. See if there's a button in here to open the trunk. Right here. Probably just a remote defect. Huge trunk. Awesome. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the full tour on the Chrysler 300. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's more where that came from. Take care everybody.